Welcome to AquaJam 2024, our first World Jam hosted by Udon VR, featuring Aquafloat.
AquaJam is a VRChat World Jam by creators for creators. We want to see your best and most creative takes on the aquatic theme, making use of our immersive object buoyancy system, AquaFloat. Don't worry if you don't own AquaFloat, as all submissions are provided an AquaFloat license for the duration of the event. There will be a download available on the itch.io page. This World Jam was an opportunity for you or your team to flex your skills and experiment with new things. But you're not just playing for bragging rights here. We've come together as a community to build a prize pool of assets for the top 10 entries. Thanks to Spooky Ghost Boo, Wispy Woo, Red Sim, Curtis VL from OVR Toolkit, and of course we at Udon VR have all contributed to this prize pool. We're accepting any prize donations up until the end of the jam if any other creators would like to join in, and the full prizes will be kept up to date in the world and on the itch.io page. Speaking of which,
Submissions will be open for 3 months.
Starting Monday, April 1st at 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and will run until Sunday, June 30th at 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Voting will open at the end of the submission period and remain open until Monday, July 8th, and you guessed it, 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Your entries will be voted on and ranked based on fun, overall world design, exploration elements, and creativity with Aquafloat.
We can't wait to explore all of your creations. Please find all the details in the links below.